Hello, this is a quick video response to a question I got on my video about how to use a clothesline tightener. Somebody was wondering, how did you do the rest of it? How did you get the pulley up there? So if you watch this video and the other video together, they should be able to give you a whole soup to nuts tutorial on how to hang a clothesline between two houses. Now, obviously you don't need two houses to hang a clothesline. That's just how this is set up. But if you have a pole in your yard or a tree or any other stationary object, that should do the trick. So this was actually here when I got here, but if it wasn't, I'd do the exact same thing as the previous owner. It's a really simple hook with some screw threads, goes right through the siding into the house frame, and attached to that, they have a very simple pulley. It's nothing fancy. And the same thing is set up on the other side. Now, the previous owner said that the neighbor is totally cool with this. Everything's copacetic, and I'm just going to assume that is true. I'm not going to say anything and stir the pot of neighborly goodwill. So I'll just walk over here now and show you how this was set up. Obviously, you need a little bit of vertical assistance via a ladder. Actually, when I strung this up, the last time I did this, I just used a stick to finagle the pulley off the hook and then finagle it back on after I got the rope strung through. This is where you then go to the other video to see how the clothesline tightener works. Get that tied up, hook it back on, cinch it up, and you're good to go. Start saving some money on your electric bills. Who needs a dryer when you got the sun? So hope that was helpful. I'll leave a link below to some of the products. There's like 3 whole different pieces that you need to get this working. So good luck in your clothesline endeavors and enjoy your nice, fresh, sun-dried laundry.